think I introed this video already, but I'm not sure because it's been like another month ahead in the future because of weather and all of that fun Colorado stuff. But I know I did save you the boring part of sanding all of this down, pretty much. But it is done, taped, and ready to go. So for the first time in my 10-year driving career, I'm actually going to have a bed cover that is completely painted and looks like it should belong on the truck. What we are spraying it with is our trusty truck bed coating. This will be the same finish as the bottom of the truck here. Now, it won't be staying on the bottom of the truck, but I did do it up there, even though from the outside, the bed cover being white would look better. However, when you're sitting in the driver's seat, looking in the rearview mirror, you see the entire bed cover. So I don't want a big, bright, white, glossy rectangle in the rearview mirror the whole time, when I could have a nice, discreet black one. And then there's the obvious money savings. We're like 80 bucks in these cans right here. But to do it gloss white, the color I want to change in the truck anyway, we're talking like $300 to $500 minimum. So, given I only have 150 bucks in this entire bed cover already, black is going to be the perfect option to make it look nice and new again. There we have it. It's still drying, so it does look a smidge uneven, but don't fret. It's nice and warm out. We're going to give it some time, and it will even out. And even though it is a big, pretty flat black surface, any tiger stripes or possible imperfections we may have got in it will go away as soon as it gets dirty, which all it's going to have to do is sit on the truck out there for one night and then get one wash, and it will look perfect. But we've got 7 whole cans of bed liner on it. Basically equates to 5 really solid coats. So I think it will do just fine. And then I always carry a can of bed liner. So if it does happen to get scratched, we can fix it up easy peasy. And I already know I'm going to be standing on it within the next week, if not 2 weeks, a lot of times. And that's definitely going to scratch it probably. So a couple imperfections here and there is no big deal. Nobody will notice them but me anyway, and that's usually how that goes. I spent so much time sanding around this stupid lock device, so we didn't have to take it off again and change all the lock rods and everything that we originally put in to make it work. So, super happy that turned out perfect. Just in the time that I'm standing here doing these video clips, it's already evening out more, and it's got, for bed liner, that's quite a bit of gloss. We're going to let it dry for several hours, and then maybe when Dad gets back from work later, and we have 2 tall people, we'll even get it put on the truck today. Oh, hold on. The flagpole. The flagpole thing is still sitting there.
I noticed that. That needs to be taken out.
I thought about it earlier, and I was going to say something, but it appears I forgot. To top off our newly painted bed cover, literally, I got some RGBW Flow Series light whips from Customs Unlimited. Same place we got some of our newest rock lights from. When I was looking at them and I originally got this bright idea, literally, they're almost hard to look at, they're that bright. I only saw the 3 foot tall option. And given that I am 4 feet tall, you can obviously see these are not 3 feet. They are the whole 5 feet. So they are about to stick way up there and let everybody know that I am there. So, now we're going to get these mounted up. Alright, he's just holding it up there with his hand, and oh boy, that is just, that's so far up there. Say that again? I didn't even think about it until you just said it.
You're gonna have to be careful in drive-thrus.
Oh man. Let me go to the front real quick. Oh boy, even for me, it sticks up above the cab like 2.5 feet. Maybe I should have sent him back and had him exchange for the 3 foot option. Up on the tailgate now. So right about in here, zoom out here. Can we do that? Come on, phone. You can make me stop videoing the change. Alrighty, more of a view there. So right about in here is the big support rectangle where the hinges mount. Now there's enough room to do it here and the bolts clear without running into the bed rail, but this is it like a downward angle. So then the light will tilt to the right. So we're gonna put it right about here, so it's as close out to the corner as it can get, but it's on the flat zone. So they should stand up and down, and then over there, we will do the same for that one. Oh, and there we have it, the first hole smoked through the cover. At least if I decide these lights are stupid and I don't want them, I can easily fill the holes. I decided that once we got that first one mounted, they actually look super duper silly because they're way taller than I thought they were going to be. So we're not going to put them on. And I am now patching the very useless hole that we immediately smoked in the perfectly good bed cover. I will then sand it, repaint it, and you'll never know it was there. I forgot to update while it was wet and pretty clean, but that was a hole. Now it's not a hole. It's not completely perfect, but it's solid and it will do. And now, after one night, the whole thing is dirty. Since the lights turned out really goofy and whack looking, here's one more B-roll. Thanks for watching, and next video we will be back on Little Brother's truck, getting the front end all wrapped up.